Allah is the creator and the sustainer of the universe and everything it contains. Allah, being the Supreme Master, has decreed all things with His ultimate knowledge. At the same time, Allah with His decree has granted human beings freedom to choose. However, wrong understanding of the concept of predestination may lead some people to justify their sins by blaming them on Allah's decree. And in today's episode, we will discuss this important, but often misunderstood topic. If you have not followed us on Instagram and subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to do it now for more weekly videos. What is divine decree or predestination? The divine decree or predestination is part of the ultimate knowledge, wisdom and power of Allah. It means that Allah's will is supreme. It teaches us that there is essentially one supreme will existing in the whole universe, namely the supreme will of Allah. Then how can human free will and divine decree coexist? Based on Allah's supreme will, He appointed man as His vicegerent on earth. Allah bestowed man with intelligence, moral conscience and revelation. Allah bestowed on him these resources in order for him to decide freely between what is good and bad. Allah says in the Holy Quran, "Say, truth is from your Lord. Now whosoever will, may believe, and whosoever will, may disbelieve." The above verse proves the concept of freedom to choose, and that man will be rewarded or punished according to the choices he makes during his lifetime. The matter, freedom to choose, is further strengthened by the fact that, being the supreme Lord of this universe, it was not difficult for Allah to make everyone obey Him and remove the evil, or Satan, from the overall equation. But His master plan is to test the judgment, or exercising free will, of the humans in every matter, between selecting right and wrong. Allah says in the Holy Quran, "If it had been your Lord's will, all who are in the earth would have believed. Will you, then, force the people to become believers?" At the same time, human freedom is not unlimited and it works within the boundaries laid down by the will of Allah. Man's choices are granted to him by Allah. Man cannot choose without Allah's will. Insofar he exercises his will, he does so by Allah's will. We will end it with this note by Sheikh Ahmed, Islamic Institute of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. The fact that all things are already decreed and predetermined by Allah does not take away from men and women their freedom to choose, for that itself is part of the divine will. No one can use the excuse of predetermination for acting irresponsibly. Everyone knows quite well that he has a choice to do certain things, while he has no choice to do certain other things. No one therefore should use the excuse of divine will to justify some evil deed he has committed, for deep inside of him, he knew he had a choice to do it, or not to do it. Allah will punish us only if we have been given the choice. Next, I suggest you to watch this video regarding 10 lessons from Surah Fatiha, which may help you change your perspective about this life.